Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to export images, animations and videos from Canva. So, if you have a photo and you want to download it, go up here on the corner where it writes share, and click download. Here you can choose your format. For the high quality is PNG format. But size and here some features are in Pro version. Now, let's do an animation with stickers. You can download this as video or as a GIF. This is it. Now let's try with a video. Choose the MP4 format. And you have to wait a little bit. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.